T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have main engine start. We have liftoff. Hello.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to put my mini chainsaw to use. I was going to tell you the name of it, but that's actually the name of it, mini chainsaw. So there's the instruction manual, see? That's the name of it, mini chainsaw. So anyway, I'm going to show you how good this thing works. Going outside and trim some hedges with it. And it comes with 2 batteries. And I'm going to tell you, these batteries last a long time. Long time. Short video, guys. This little saw is awesome. Ain't no joke. I guess that's the name of it right there. It's a lithium. I'm going to show you. Take a short walk. See my roses, guys. Aren't they beautiful? I've already cut these limbs down. I'm gonna try to do it with one hand, a piece, so you can see. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand though. Maybe this one. Let's try it. Look at that. See that? This little thing is bad. It's a badass little saw. Go get you one. Comes with 2 batteries. And the charge lasts for a long time. That's before. And that's after. Look at that. I can see my fence again. I don't have to worry about all these leaves going inside my pool. Even have birds nest going on right here. Look at that. Show how good this thing is awesome. Look, watch this. Bam, done. One hell of a saw right here. It's a lot easier than using a hedge clippers. You can see my flag now. Oh yeah. Beautiful day today. Beautiful. Oh, man. All right, guys. Look at Zoe. And I want to dive in. Water ain't blue yet, but you can still jump in. Look at Zoe. Zoe! Zoe! Hi! It's hot as hell right now, too. Get you one of these saws. Saws are awesome. Has a safety lock too right here. Oh yeah, there's an after shot. That tree was hanging all over that fence. It's gone now.